In this video, I'm going to show you how to use variants in Figma and create this beautiful slider. I have already created these 3 slides, so what we should do next is group them. So let's group all these 3, Control G. So group, then remove the gap, turn it back to 0. Then so now let's create this into a frame selection by right clicking and clicking on frame selection or Control Alt G. Then now let's shrink this frame selection to only fit one slide. So around here, okay, and then let's hide the rest of the slides by clicking clip content. Yeah, now you can see you'll remain with only a single slide. Now on this single slide you can rename it to slider and then create a component by clicking on it and clicking on this button or clicking on your keyboard Control Alt K. Now that we have created that component, we'll create variants so that we can show the remaining sliders. To create a variant, we'll just click on variants on top here and it will create a duplicate of the same slider below. If you scroll down, you'll see that now we have 2. We will create another variant because we had 3 sliders. Now that I have 3 sliders, I will position them to align to show the 3 faces. I'll align this by drilling down to where we created the group and then just sliding it. Yeah, and that's it. So we have created our variants. The next step now is prototyping. You'll click on the right tab. You'll click on the right tab where it's written prototyping on the right sidebar and click on your button that you click on the sign up button, then prototype it. Drag it to this other one. Yeah, we on click, change to variant 2, then make it smart animate. Do the same. Do the same for that button, smart animate. It's okay. Now, if we go to the assets, you will find our slider here. It is named slider. Now if you want to use this slider on our frame or on our web page, we just take this one and paste it here. Let's position it. Yeah, and there it is. So let's play it so we can see if it works. Now you can see the prototype has loaded and our slider just works fine. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestion, leave them down in the description below. Bye.